Okay, I came to the Mustang Island, Port Aransas, and then I could not find like a room with some cheaper price, so I just checking, paying about $100, and I spent a day here. And maybe tomorrow I'll checking some cheaper price again. And this is Port Aransas, and I'm trying to now find some fishing shop to buy some worm, because I want to do some night fishing tonight. And also I eat something, and then I see some beach and then some spot where actually I can do fishing tonight. Okay. Okay, this is the kind of main street of Port Aransas. Yeah. Texas wreck, yeah. Okay, eventually come to the beach, ocean, water, sea. This is I don't know, like some portion of it. This is not the everything of this beach, because you see a little bit disappointed, some kind of some, you know, like a too strong wind, you know, sand is a little bit strong, seaweed here, something like this. It's almost blocking some good, you know, entrance to the, you know, ocean. Certainly some people swimming over there, even if there's strong tide. I want to go there fishing tonight, but a bit far from here, so I have to find some different paths over there. I almost got tired. Okay, let's go. Okay, $2 to enter this fire, and then this fire is open for 24 hours, so tonight I come for fishing. I'm really excited, and then this is kind of the result. I'm not sure really I can do. Okay.